Sam, take out a black pen. Great. Isabel, the green pen. Teresa's pen. Oscar's pen. Sam's pen. Isabel's pen. Anna's pen. My pen. Whose pen is that?
This is my pen. Whose pen is that?
It's mine. Sam, whose pen is that?
This is my pen.
Oscar, whose pen is that?
It's mine.
That is your pen?
Yes, it is.
Teresa, is your pen a purple pen?
No, it's not. The purple pen is Anna's pen. My pen is blue.
Isabel, whose is the red pen?
The red pen is Oscar's pen, and the orange pen is Mr. Tandy's.
Or her pen? His pen? Her pen? His pen? His pen. The orange pen is Mr. Tandy's pen, or it's his pen.
The blue pen is Teresa's pen, or it's her pen. Sam, Teresa, you hold the black pen. Isabel, Oscar, you hold the red pen.
This is our pen, or it's ours.
Teresa, whose pen is that?
This is our pen.
Isabel, whose pen is that?
It's ours.
Anna, whose is the red pen?
That pen is their pen, or it's theirs.
Oscar, whose is the black pen?
It's theirs.
Sam, whose is the red pen?
That is their pen.